Hi, today I am drawing a female warrior for my practice. As a part of my portrait drawing classes, my art teacher gave me this reference image. A strong and powerful figure, full of movement and energy. At first, it felt a little challenging. The pose, the angles, the flow of the body, everything looked complex. But then I reminded myself we don't grow by choosing what is easy. We grow when we try something that feels a little difficult. So instead of focusing on how the final drawing will turn out, I decided to change the way I look at it. I stopped seeing it as a perfect drawing I need to achieve and started seeing it as simple lines, curves, and shapes. Just lines, just curves, step by step. And slowly the fear started fading. Sometimes when we look at a reference picture, it can feel a little intimidating. We start thinking, will I be able to draw this perfectly? But drawing is not about copying perfectly. It is about observing, understanding, and learning. Every line we draw teaches us something, even if proportions are not exact, even if the sketch is not perfect, the process itself is helping us grow. Today I am comparing my drawing with the reference, not to judge myself, but to understand. Where can I improve? Where are the angles different? How can I make the lines more fluid? And in this quiet process of observing and correcting, learning happens naturally. Art is not about perfection, it is about patience. It is about showing up even when things feel difficult. Because every imperfect drawing is actually a step forward, a step towards becoming better, little by little, every single day. So today, this warrior is not just drawing for me. She is a reminder to be brave enough to try, to be patient with myself, and to trust the process. Maybe this drawing is not perfect, but it is honest. And it is process, it is progress. And for today, that is enough. I will continue working on this drawing offline, and in the next video, I'll share the next part of this journey with you. This is Hobby Time, where we grow one line at a time. Happy drawing, enjoy the process. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Hobby Time. Thank you.